Hi. With Jungle Journey, we offer two basic kits. We have the Super Starter Kit and we also have the Starter Kit. The biggest difference between the two is that with the Super Starter, you get music. So all of your music comes with the Super Starter Kit. You get contemporary music, traditional, we have lots of fun memory verse music, your simple songs, you get all the PowerPoints for the music, your song lyrics, all of your music comes with the Super Starter Kit. So if you're a church that enjoys music, you'll want to purchase the Super Starter Kit because that will be your best value. Another big difference with the Starter Kit and the Super Starter Kit is that the Super Starter comes with all of your teaching posters. So you get your teacher illustration posters, you get your memory verse posters, and you get your Animal Pal posters. And that makes it a great start for your teachers. If you have a small church, this will likely be all that you need as far as posters if you just do one rotation for your Bible lesson. If you just want the basics, you can go with our starter kit. It has your leader guides in it and a couple other small gift items in there. But if you want full impact, biggest bang for your buck, we do recommend that people go with the Super Starter Kit because that has a lot more in there for you to work with and to begin your VBS. We also recommend the addition of Digital Pro to either of those kits. That's your online tool. You'll get your digital leader guides with that. You'll get all your digital music. You'll get posters that you can print, lots of extras, plus you get a tool that you can use to register your kids online. So when you purchase either one of these kits, we recommend upgrading to Digital Pro as well.